I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook edamame beans from frozen. Let's dive right into the quickest method, boiling. This is perfect for a fast snack or a last-minute side dish. You'll need a medium-sized pot, enough water to cover your edamame, and a little salt to enhance the flavor. The entire process, from start to finish, takes just a few minutes, so you'll be enjoying your delicious edamame in no time at all. To begin, fill a pot with water and bring it to a vigorous, rolling boil. Once boiling, add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt for every cup of water. This seasons the edamame beautifully. Carefully add your frozen edamame to the boiling water. Let them cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until they are tender crisp. Finally, drain the edamame well using a colander, ensuring all excess water is removed. If you prefer a method that truly highlights the edamame's natural sweet flavor, steaming is an excellent choice. You'll need a steamer basket and a pot with about 1 inch of water at the bottom. Bring the water to a boil, then place the frozen edamame in the steamer basket. Cover the pot and let them steam for 5 to 8 minutes until they are perfectly tender. After steaming, you can season them however you like. Once your edamame are cooked, the possibilities for enjoyment are endless. A simple sprinkle of flaky sea salt is always a classic. For an extra kick, try tossing them with a dash of sesame oil, a splash of soy sauce, and a pinch of chili flakes. Shelled edamame are also fantastic additions to salads, grain bowls, or even stir-fries. They make a wonderfully healthy and satisfying snack, packed with protein and fiber.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.